Hi everybody, Danny here. Well, are you ready to paint some background with a new brush? Head on over to easel, I'll meet you there. And here we are. I want to introduce you to a brush called a water brush. This holds water, and as you squeeze, the water comes up through the tuft in the brush, and you can dip it in your paint and get paint on it and paint with it all day. These are really primarily designed for plein air painting that you do outside where you don't have a lot of water supply. But you can use it indoor too, and I'm going to use it as we put in this little bit of background area here. Okay, so I'm into the mauve, okay, and I'm just pushing up what eventually will pretend to be tree trunks, just like that. They will pretend to be tree trunks, and you'll never notice the difference, okay, because they're way out in the hinterland, okay? Now, I'm going to get into some yellow ochre, okay? And I'm going to put some yellow ochre down here, just like that. And all this is going to dry lighter. Okay, now this is our far background, like that. And we are in good shape. Okay, just like that. Now, if I decide I want that a little lighter, I can take my rag and I can just tap on it like that, and it gets lighter. Now, be with me tomorrow, and we'll start working in these general areas here, bringing our painting forward. So until tomorrow, be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Be sure you hit the bell icon so you get all notifications. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. That worked out quite well. Tell you what, be with me tomorrow. We'll take it even further. And remember in the meantime that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.